Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, special delivery. Yes, it came early. I'm so excited for this. So this is Kylie's Valentine's Day collection, and I'm so happy she sent PR out early so we can show y'all. So I have something to film, something to be excited about. I always get excited whenever Kylie launches collections that have a theme, that have special packaging. It just makes it fun. It makes makeup fun. Yeah, let me show y'all. All right, so you guys can see there's bras everywhere. The inside lining, panties, you know, very, very romantic, very Valentine's Day-ish, a little thoughty, you know. No, not really thoughty. It's fun. It's cute. I love it. All right, so the Valentine's Day collection comes with an eyeshadow palette, and I just love how the eyeshadow palette has grown up. She's matured. You know, she is real cute. So before, well, the very first Kylie Cosmetics palette, it was just a palette with the eyeshadows. And then she slowly incorporated the mirror, and now she has the names at the bottom. And I just think this is just a well, you know, put together palette. I love how this looks. It looks professional. It looks real cute. She mature, you know. She grown now, okay? So not only is Kylie coming out with the 12 pan eyeshadow palette, she's also coming out with a glitter shadow, which is more of kind of like a shimmery, like liquid eyeshadow. She's coming out with a light, kind of peachy blush, which is too light. It's too light for me, you know, like I can already tell, so this is gonna be a little too light. And then she's coming out with 3 lip kits that come with a lip gloss. Cute. I love this. I love the lips. So there is a nude lipstick, or lip set I should say, a pink lip set and a red lip set. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. I'm here for a small collection. I love that these are sets. I feel like this is like a cute little Valentine's Day gift. All the guys out there, I hope they're paying attention. Listen, if I was like crazy about makeup and didn't do YouTube, but I love makeup, and my man got me a little kit, I'd be like, you're a keeper. I almost feel like if, like, say you and a few of your friends are all single, or if you guys exchange gifts on Valentine's Day, or if you're each other's Valentine, you know, I feel like this would be a cute little gift. I love it. I just love, you know, packaging themes. So in this video, I will be doing a look with the eyeshadow palette, and I will be trying on pretty much everything except for the blush, because I'm not gonna play myself. Like, I already know. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not about to do that, but you will see all of the lip kits. So without further ado, let's get started. Come on in, folks. Come in. Welcome. Very pink. I love pink. It's so cute. Okay, so I primed my eyes with Chai concealer from Kylie Cosmetics. I used to use this like every day, and then I feel like so many new concealers have come out that I just stopped using it, but it is really bomb. I'm probably gonna use this to cut the crease later too. All right, so we got the Valentine's Day. What we gonna do? Where's my brush? What we gonna do up in here? So I never really use pink colors like this. Whoa, this one right here. Oh, look at my nails are pink. So I never put colors like this in the crease. I'm gonna do that today because why not? Can't always put browns in the crease, you know what I mean? So I think we're gonna start with February, which is this really light pink color, and I'm gonna put this in the crease first. See if it shows up. We're gonna be hella pink today. February. Bust down, Tatiana. Wanna see you bust down. I don't know why I'm thinking of that song. That song's actually been stuck in my head for a few days. I saw the little remix and I was like, All right, so you just want to make sure that it's nice and even on both sides. Oh, cute. All right, next I'm gonna go in with Candy Heart, which is this like really bright pink. And we're just gonna put this right on top of February in the crease. Oh, pink. I think I might even put this on the outer lid. We gonna see. Sometimes I just don't even know what I'm gonna do, and I just see where my hand takes me, you know? Ooh, I'm liking how Candy Heart is looking. This is nice. It's like bright, but it's still pretty. Pretty nice. Very festive. All right, so I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush, and I'm gonna put Admirer, which is kind of like a, is that like a brown? It's almost like a brown plumish. Actually, I don't even know. I'm gonna see how it looks when it goes on. I'm like, see how it looks like brown, but also looks kind of plum? So we're just gonna put this in the outer corner of the crease and a little bit on the lid. Just gonna bring this like halfway in. All right, now I'm switching back to the bigger brush and I'm gonna blend this out. This is a Sigma E40 brush. Gotta focus right now. Focus time. So the shade in the outer corner almost turned kind of purpley, which I like. It's like a brownish purple. Like I feel like it could kind of go just both ways depending on that first color or whatever you pair it with, you know what I mean? Make sure we even up in here. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here just to define the crease. So I'm just switching back and forth from the small brush to the large brush. And this smaller brush is the Sigma E45. All right, next I'm gonna go in with Chai and I'm just gonna cut the crease. Why not? Little cut action up in here. How are we looking up in here? I feel like I still wanna see a little bit more of this pink, this candy heart, this like bright pink right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit on the outside of the lid. And I'm using the fluffy brush. Just like a hint, you know what I mean? Like just a hint. And I'm using the fluffy brush because I want it to look blended and not like super packed on. Okay. Hands wanted to show up today. Sometimes my hands, my fingers, you know, they just don't work. Sometimes they don't work and sometimes they show out, like right now. All right, we're gonna switch to a flat brush and I think what I'm gonna do is put Romance on the lid. It's like a light iridescent color. All of the frosted colors, I wouldn't say they're super metallic in texture, like they're more of like a luster almost. Like make sure with these to use a base or something creamy underneath so the color really like shows up. Like you guys saw the swatches, they were almost like, they looked a little bit more on the sheer side with nothing underneath them. Ooh, cut it in. Actually looks so much better on than the swatches. Like make sure you guys put this over something creamy. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't, but you know, I'm sure some people out there don't use a base or maybe they use like a translucent powder after the base. Nah, this needs to go directly on something creamy so she could really like show out, you know? Like she's showing out right now, okay? All right, so the same colors I put in the crease, I'm gonna put under the lash line. So I'm gonna start with Admire, which is the darker shade. And we're just gonna put this on the outer corner. Wait, let me go over here. Like just halfway across. And then we're gonna put Candy Heart on the other half. I'm really vibing with this Candy Heart color. This like bright pink. You know what I like about it? I like that it's matte. You know, I feel like these really bright colors, like they need to be matte. Ooh, we need to put some liner on. I look like I got a little pink eye, huh? Little pink eye. Little pink eye doesn't hurt. I mean, it probably does, but you know. All right, so I'm gonna line the inside with Dose of Colors. This is a new black caviar eyeliner. A purple liner would look cute too. Anytime I put liner on after I put shadow, I always have to smudge it because I don't like the look of liner being harsh. I like it to look super blended. So we're just gonna smudge under the lash line so it looks nice and smooth. You know what I'm saying? Smooth. All right, so this is the Dose of Colors Shady Eyeliner. It's a gel liner. Anytime I wing my eyeliner, I like to use a gel. It's just easier for me. Some people like liquid, I like gel. It's just kind of personal preference. This is really nice though. Give it a little wing here. Itty bitty wing, low key wing. The key to a nice wing is taking your time. See, I'm not trying to like line it all in one little stroke. It's like I'm doing little tiny lines. This is really nice. So I'm gonna finish off the eyes with the Colourpop mascara and the Lilly Valentine's Day lashes. We are just all up in these new products right now. Ooh, look at that cut. So these are actually called the Lilly Lashes Be My Lashentine. They're brand new, limited edition for Valentine's Day. Ooh, yes, vibes. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, 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 oh. All right, so really quickly, I highlighted my skin with the MAC Hyperreal Shimmy Peach Highlighter, and I used the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, that's not the color, and Caracas, and the Huda Beauty setting powder, because I know you guys are gonna ask. I put a little bit of the Kylie bronzer, Tawni Mami on, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. I love this bronzer. She did such a good job with this one. So Tawni Mami and Rosey are bomb. We're gonna put those on. I almost wish she had a color that was like a little bit lighter than Rose, like just a little bit lighter, because I like that light pink look. It's just so hard to get that look on my skin tone. It's almost like it has to be like a vibrant color, but it can't be too dark, you know? All right, what are we doing? Okay, so Tawni Mami bronzer. Add a little bit more. Always bronze like your jawline so it looks like nice and sharp. I mean, if you like that look, I like that look. I like to look contoured, defined, sharp, snatched. This is Rosey. I like this eyeshadow palette a lot more than I thought I was. At first I was like, oh, I wish there was like a darker color. And I wasn't even looking at that pink at first. I was like, okay, let's see what we gonna do. You know, because when I was swatching them, I was like, you know, the frosted colors, I was like, ooh, you know, what's about to happen? So I was just kind of like, I don't know. But once I put it on, season 10. All right, let me explain to you guys season 10, because I know a lot of you guys are new. So when you watch The Housewives, season 1, they look crazy. Like makeup, hair, everything looks a hot ass mess, okay? By the time they get to season 3, it's like, okay, they have a glam squad a little bit better. By the time they hit season 10, the reunion, they are snatched, slayed, beat, everything. Did we hit everything? The blush I'm not gonna put on because we talked about it. You know, it's too light. It's like it's way too light. We're not gonna do that. We did the eyes. All right, it's on to the lips. So I'm gonna start with the pink, and then we're gonna move on. No, I'm gonna do the red, the nude, and then the pink in that order. I like cannot get over my eyes right now. They look so cute. All right, so this is Call Me Matte Lipstick with the matching liner. And then we're gonna put the gloss on. Typically, you know, with liquid lipsticks, I don't put gloss over it. I just like it matte. I like it like this. But I'm gonna do it just for you guys, okay? Just for y'all. Oh, this looks cute. I love this formula gloss a lot better than the other one. The other one was like, you know, the longer one that looks just like this except gloss. It's almost like chunky. I like this. All right, next we have the nude set, Built to Last. All right, so I feel like this lip liner is gonna be too light, but I'm gonna put a little bit on just so you guys can see. Y'all be yelling at me if I don't try anything on. It's actually the same color as my lip. Yeah, it's a little too light. So I'm gonna put on the Kylie Hot Chai, which is like a nude brown. All right, now we have Built to Last Matte Lipstick. It's like a nude with the beige undertone. Blot, folks. See how I didn't put it on the top? I just put it on the bottom. I like this one. This is actually a lot pinker than I thought, which is totally fine. It's cute. All right, so we're gonna top this off with Story of Us gloss. This is the set. Oh, that's cute, Story of Us. Oh. Before, when I was single, I would be like, oh, Valentine's Day. But now everything's so cute. I'm like, oh, Story of Us, so cute, 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 cute. I actually like this. I wasn't sure. As soon as I put that lip liner on, I was like, you know, But I love a good nude pink. I love this gloss. These glosses, you guys, she sells them individually, but you will like them. They're bomb. All right, last but not least, we have the lip set that's a little bit more pink. This lip liner is called You Are a Gem. I don't know why, I just like using brown liner. Like no matter what, I'm like, I just want a little bit of brown liner. I can't help it. I'm gonna show you guys though without the brown liner, and I might add a little bit of brown liner afterwards because the brown liner kind of neutralizes it. I just like how it looks. This is Wish You Were Here. Aww. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna let you guys see this without the liner. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Hot Chai. Very pink. I feel so girly like Barbie. I feel like Barbie. Is this how Barbie feels? Ow, that was my elbow. Watch, I'm gonna show you how bomb this is about to look. Ooh, see? See what brown liner does? See what I'm talking about? See what I'm saying? All right, let's finish it off with the gloss. This is called Sweet. I almost think I like the nude the best, of course. I always love the nudes the best, of course. This is cute though. All right, you guys, I am gonna zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna take my headband off and I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on the collection. All right, guys, here is the finished look. I'm actually impressed with the eyeshadow palette. I mean, I don't know. I feel like my eyes look bomb. The frosted colors, I did not expect them to look like this. It was real cute, you know, season 10 style. I didn't use the liquid eyeshadow because in the past when I've used it, it almost gets kind of like chunky. It's just not my favorite formula for a liquid sparkly eyeshadow. And then the blush was too light. So the eyeshadow palette works, the lip kits work, the blush is a no, the liquid eyeshadow is a no for me. But yeah, I really like it. I feel like you just can't go wrong with pink. You guys know, like I love pink. Like anything with a pink undertone on my lips is just gonna make me so happy. Which color was it? The lip set that has Built to Last, that lip liner doesn't work with my skin tone, but I do like the lipstick and the gloss. Overall, I think it's a really cute collection. It's fun, it's festive. I feel like this would be a cute little gift for your girlfriend, either your girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? Or your homegirl girlfriend, or whatever the case is. I feel like this would be a cute Valentine's Day gift. I just love a theme. I am a sucker for a theme, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching this review / slaytorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, comment below. Let me know what was your favorite lip? What do you think of the eyes? Let me know. Leave a comment. Okay, and last but not least, strut and slay. Special deliver. Ooh, I hit the mic. Ooh, I hit the mic. Cute. Cut it. What are these called? Sparkly. I was about to say Twitter fingers. Oh, there's a name for them. I don't know. All right, let me do it one more time because I hit the mic. Thumbnail. Sorry, Mike. Yeah, wait, did I say that backwards? Every once in a while, you know, I surprise myself. Big old, long old package. I mean, I kind of live for a lot of things, but I love mattes in the crease. Well, the lip kits have Bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, let's get ready to rumble. What was that? Kylie. Let's get ready to rumble.